Guys, today I'm going to review ProDentim Dental Health Supplement. If you came here, that means you are looking more information about ProDentim. So, stay tuned till the end of this video, guys. In this video, I will give you complete information about ProDentim and also cover some important points about it. After watching this video, you will also know whether you really need to take ProDentim or not. I will mention the official link of ProDentim in the description box. Let's start the video. First of all, I will explain you what is exactly ProDentim. Because most of the peoples don't know about it, so I'm here to give you that all necessary information. ProDentim is a brand new enhanced oral probiotic, can help you maintain strong teeth and gums. The ProDentim supplement's principal purpose is to help you maintain the health of both your teeth and gums. It assists in mitigating the adverse effects of toxins and promotes the development of a robust microbiota in the oral cavity. The many probiotic strains within each tablet can help experience life before it was over with healthy teeth and gums. It keeps your breath smelling fresh for a more extended period and keeps your dental health in good condition. When you take ProDentim probiotic supplement, you will notice that your smile is more dazzling and healthier. It paves the way for the beneficial bacteria already present in your mouth and helps rejuvenate your blood and saliva. ProDentim will naturally encourage the growth of healthy flora in your mouth and leave your breath smelling fresh. It makes one feel fantastic, instills new confidence, and leaves one's mouth smelling like a rose. How does ProDentim dental supplement work? ProDentim can help prevent sensitive yellow teeth and give you a breath of fresh air around your mouth. ProDentim probiotic supplement promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria within your mouth, which strengthens gum tissue and teeth. It can help maintain a fresh breath and reduce the gum irrigation of the teeth. It also supports the immune health of your ears, nose, and throat. It contributes to the process of enhancing the teeth's inherent protective barrier. ProDentim contains natural probiotics that have an antioxidant response, which assists in detoxifying your body and makes it possible for your gums to be healthier. It helps to remove odor-causing bacteria from the mouth and reduces the effect of bacteria that can cause teeth to become yellow. It helps to maintain the whiteness and cleanliness of your teeth over time. It will make your teeth strong and white, giving you the confidence to smile in front of other people. It helps to keep a healthy balance in your mouth that needs to be maintained. ProDentim supports both maintaining good oral health and an average level of saliva production. ProDentim is made from 100% natural ingredients. These are the ingredients included in each ProDentim dosage. These ingredients are scientifically proven for these benefits and have been used in various traditional remedies for hundreds of years. So, regardless of your age, diet, activity level, and work routine, this product may help you to maintain your dental health strong. The ingredients are 100% herbal and pure, and there are no unnecessary chemicals inside. The production takes place in the US in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified manufacturing facility. ProDentim gives 100% money-back guarantee to their customers up to 60 days. So, anyone can test this supplement for 60 days with no risk. ProDentim customers have a full right to contact the company and get their hard-earned money back if this product fails them. The company asks no questions, and the refund process has a time of 60 days after purchase. That's nearly 2 months, which is a sufficient time to check the results. ProDentim has many positive reviews and testimonials. You can check out the website of this product to learn about its amazing reviews yourself. Most people have mentioned how the supplement has helped them in maintaining their oral and dental health stronger. To see more feedbacks and testimonials, just visit their official website. ProDentim also gives 2 bonuses to their customers absolutely free, worth around $218 if they order 3 or 6 bottles, as well as free shipping. To know more or buy ProDentim, the official link is in the description box.
And why my gums always felt like they were swollen and itchy, or why cavities would just pop up overnight. Now it feels like I've got a new set of teeth and gums. Thank you so much, Dr. Drew. For the first time in decades, I am not in pain. Pretty cool.
What Dr. Drew was telling me to do seemed absolutely crazy, But what can I say? I was desperate, so I thought I'll give this a try, maybe for a couple weeks. And I can't believe how well it worked. The results were great. No more toothaches, no more infections, and no more of that metallic blood taste in my mouth. And thank God, no more bad breath.
I had been suffering from throbbing gum infections for 5 years, and 2 of my teeth were moving. It was so bad I was afraid to eat. My doctor told me either I save money for implants or I have to get dentures. Imagine that, at my age? I still can't believe Dr. Drew's method saved me from all that torture. Now I tell everyone I have shark teeth.